Welcome back to Scotty Animation. This is the beginning of the Commodore LCD project I'm working on, where I'm hoping to create a Commodore LCD computer that was never released to the public. I'm hoping it's going to be bigger than this. This was just a test of roughly what it would look like, and just testing the 3D printer and seeing what I'm going to have to do to finish this project. I'm not sure what it's going to use as the main computer inside of it. Maybe a Raspberry Pi Zero or an Arduino. It depends on how I can run the Commodore LCD emulator that's online. I didn't write it. I wouldn't even know where to begin to write it, but it was written by some genius out there on the internet, and it's pretty cool. It's incomplete, but that's not their fault. It was never completed to begin with. 1985 or whatever. So the Commodore LCD computer coming soon, hopefully. This is part one. Stay tuned. That's all I got to tell you. Oh, thanks for watching.